Finding the perfect frying pan that combines functionality, durability, and health benefits can be a challenge. This Homikit 10-inch non-stick frying pan offers a solution with its innovative design, high-quality materials, and exceptional cooking performance. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this frying pan is a game-changer in the kitchen. Let's explore the features, benefits, and reasons why the Homikit non-stick frying pan deserves a spot in your cookware collection. Why choose the Homikit non-stick frying pan? 1. Healthier cooking options. With its non-toxic non-stick coating, the Homikit pan lets you cook with minimal oil, making it perfect for health-conscious individuals. 2. Durable and long-lasting. The tri-ply construction and scratch-resistant coating ensure that the pan remains in excellent condition even with daily use. 3. Multi-purpose cooking tool. This pan is ideal for a variety of cooking methods, including stir-frying, boiling, steaming, and deep frying. Its 10-inch size is perfect for preparing family meals. 4. Great gift idea. The Homikit frying pan makes an excellent gift for anyone who enjoys cooking. Whether for a birthday, Christmas, or Thanksgiving, it's a thoughtful and practical present. The Homikit frying pan excels in handling a wide range of dishes. Breakfast favorites, perfect for omelets, pancakes, and bacon. Healthy stir-fries, cook vegetables, shrimp, or chicken with ease. Searing and sautéing, achieve a beautiful sear on steaks or fish. One-pan meals, prepare pasta dishes or casseroles that transition from stovetop to oven. With its versatility and ease of use, the Homikit pan empowers you to get creative in the kitchen. Key features of the Homikit non-stick frying pan. 1. Superior non-stick coating. The Homikit frying pan boasts a 3-layer non-stick coating that ensures effortless cooking and cleaning. This advanced coating allows you to use less oil or butter, promoting healthier meals without compromising on flavor. Plus, the pan is PFOA and PFAS-free, meaning it contains no harmful chemicals. This makes it a safer choice for you and your family while being environmentally friendly. 2. Tri-ply construction for even heating. The frying pan is constructed with a durable stainless steel exterior and an aluminum core, ensuring even heat distribution. This design eliminates hot spots, so your food cooks perfectly every time. Whether you're frying, boiling, or sautéing, the Homikit pan provides consistent results. The flat and thick bottom further enhances heat conduction, making it ideal for high-performance cooking. 3. Compatible with various stovetops. This versatile pan is designed to work on any stovetop, including induction cooktops, gas stoves, electric stoves, ceramic stoves. It's also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for a variety of recipes, from stovetop searing to oven baking. 4. Ergonomic stainless steel handle. The pan features a sleek, ergonomic handle that's double-riveted for added stability. The handle's extra-long design and airflow hole keep it cool during cooking, ensuring a safe and comfortable grip. For added convenience, the handle includes a hanging hole, allowing you to store the pan easily when not in use. 5. Effortless cleaning. Cleaning up after cooking has never been easier. The pan's mirror-polished surface resists fingerprints and stains, while its non-stick coating allows for easy food release. You can clean it with just a paper towel or a quick rinse under water. The rolled edges prevent drips, ensuring mess-free pouring and serving. Final verdict: why the Homikit non-stick frying pan is worth it. The Homikit non-stick frying pan checks all the boxes for quality, performance, and versatility. Its superior non-stick coating, even heating, and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're an experienced chef or just starting your culinary journey, this pan offers the perfect balance of functionality and style. Its health-focused features and ease of maintenance make cooking a joy, while its durability ensures it will serve you for years to come. Invest in the Homikit frying pan today and elevate your cooking experience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.